This don't make no damn science, girl. Bye. A lot of people have been commenting on my last viral post about being mixed with Indian won't keep your nigga home. Well, let me explain myself. In the Caribbean, a half black, a half Indian person is called Dougla. A fully Indian person is kind of called a coolie, depending on where in the Caribbean you are, but basically all the same thing. A Dougla person, you can tell by looking at them. They're usually a certain skin color. They're usually very brown. They don't, just like East Africans, Douglas and East Africans get mistaken all the time. We look very much East African. We do not need to pull up ancestry of when the slaves got here to prove that we're Douglas. Whoever you are and whoever your ancestors were, this gonna show on your face. You understand? So when people just be saying I'm mixed with Indian, it's not because, they actually are. I see it as some girls say that or some men say that because, they're trying to glorify whatever beauty features they have on their face. They feel like saying that I'm mixed with Indian might make a man like me more. Different reasons. I myself, as an actual Dougla person, have never, told a man that I was Dougla. It's really corny and lame because at the end of the day, a lot of people in South America, in the Caribbean, in America are Dougla, are black and Indian. So it's nothing to me, special. Like, it's not going to make you keep a man by telling somebody you're Indian. It's not. Douglas get cheated on too, if you didn't know. I get cheated on. So basically, that's what I was saying. If you are a Dougla person, a black and Indian person, it's going to be on your face. You don't have to go to Ancestry.com, call your great. Your ancestors live on your face. So do it make sense now? That a lot of people lie about being Indian when they are fully African descent.